In this video, I'll guide you about the difference between the discount announcement bar and custom announcement bar. Let's try the discount announcement bar first. Add the URL of the landing page here. Add custom alias. Now create a discount. You can either use a coupon that is already created in Shopify from the discount option, or you can use a fixed percentage or amount. Let's use the already created coupon for now. Click on Create Link. Copy the link and check. This bar here displays the discount info that would be applied at checkout. You can customize this bar. Go to App Settings here. You can change text, color, or position of the bar, and also display the timer. But this bar is not fully customizable. Let's try the custom announcement bar option during link creation here. You can change the color, text color, icon, and position in the bar. Also, all the text in the bar is changeable, and there is also an option of adding subtext, which is also customizable. You can add a timer in the bar also. Click on Created Link. Copy the link, and let's try. You can see custom announcement bar is displayed here. This bar here is specific to a link, but the discount bar that we saw earlier will be used with every discount link. Thanks for watching.